Hey, what's up guys? I know I've been absent for the past couple of weeks, but I'm going to be trying to get back into this video YouTube scene, posting straight through the holidays. Today I'm going to be talking about which measuring tape you should get and how to use it. So I recently got this Milwaukee measuring tape from my nearby Home Depot, and I wanted to share why it's important to get decent measuring tape and how it can be saving you a lot of money and time when doing a site measure. When looking for a measuring tape, there's a couple things you should be looking out for, and I'm just going to list them here. So what units you're going to be using, whether it be in metric or imperial or both. The one I decided to get is in both metric and imperial, so I can measure in centimeters and meters and inches and feet. The next thing you're going to be looking for is the length of the tape. So they have a little shorter tapes, such as like the 12-foot ones and the 16-foot ones, but generally a 25-foot measuring tape is pretty reliable and handy. The only thing is that it's a little bit bulky, so I decided to opt in for the 16-foot one. Another thing that's really important is the width of the tape. The width of the tape helps support the measuring tape across longer distances without it bending. That's why you'll notice with longer measuring tapes, such as the 25-meter ones or 35-meter ones, they have much wider tapes, which helps them span a greater distance. A handy feature that I found in the Milwaukee measuring tape was the magnetic hook. This allows you to measure up against some metal surfaces, allowing you to stick the end of the measuring tape, making it so that you don't really have to hold it on the other end, which is super handy when you're measuring only by yourself. Another thing to look out for is a grip stop. Generally, most measuring tapes have a lock on the front, like this, but not all measuring tapes have a grip stop, which allow you to slowly retract the measuring tape. Definitely something to look out for. The last two things are pretty common in most measuring tapes, but I'm just going to list them anyways, is just the overall durability of the measuring tape. If you're going to be doing a site measure, chances are this is going to fall quite a few times, and you don't want it to break on you, because that would be really inconvenient if you have to make another visit. The wrist strap or carabiner on the back end is also really handy because that gives you the ability to put like a lanyard on it or something to hook it onto. But I personally prefer the belt clip on the back, which allows you to kind of just hang it on the side of your belt, which is much better than trying to put it in your pockets, because these are normally pretty wide. So I'm not an expert by any means, because I've only been working in the industry for about half a year, but every time I'm around another designer or contractor doing a site visit, I always tend to learn something new. For those people still in school or haven't done many site measures, I hope this video helps you get started. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a thumbs up down below. If you have any comments or are more experienced in using a measuring tape, I would love to hear your tips on this as well, so feel free to comment in the section down below. Thanks so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.